Alright guys, how are you all? If you want to know how we put all of these together and more, you need to keep on watching up to the end so that you know how we put this beautiful stew together and the smell. Oh my god. In the meantime, let's get started. My name is Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Alif's Kitchen. How are you all? I hope you're all having a great time. I'm fine too. I have missed you all and I'm sure you've missed me too, and thank you all so much for checking me out. I appreciate you all. So today in Fatim Alif's Kitchen we are cooking lamb stew. Okay, we're making a beautiful lamb stew with all of these ingredients here, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, so guys, let's jump into it. So first we're going to add some vegetable oil in a lovely pan. We're going to be adding quite a bit because this stew is gonna be delicious. All right, so we've added our oil in, so we're going to season our lamb a little bit. Also, when I go for meat, I decided to go for the bony side of it because I find it more tender and tastier. Okay, but if you want to go for a different option, that's absolutely fine. And we also called lamb stew in Mandinka as subuchu. Subo means meat and chew means stew, and in Wolof we call it as Yapa. You see, Yapa means meat, stew. Okay. So guys, now let's fry our meat. So we're gonna stir all of that together, and we are going to be frying it until it is nice, lovely golden brown. Okay, so now we're coming to blend our ingredients. In goes the tomato plum. All of these ingredients will be under the description section below. Garlic goes in. Also, not forgetting our own homemade green seasoning. Also going to take some of the part of our spring onion, the whiter side of the spring onion. We're going to use the green side later. And I'm adding some onions. If you're not comfortable to use the knife like how I'm doing it now, you can put it on a chopping board and use it. Okay, this is kind of a skill that we do back home. We don't use chopping boards, we just use the knife just like so. Okay guys, we're also going to cut our vegetables and set them on the side. We start with the potatoes. Just like that. That one's got a bit of black in it, so I had to pick it out. So we soak that in the water. Carrots. Now we're going to do the celeries. Okay. I'm going to take that bit off and use it later for garnish. And we just add them on the top. Everything goes on the top. Okay, so the green part of our spring onion also we're gonna rough cut it, and then that one with the flower part of the celery will be our garnish right on here. Okay, so guys, everything is prepped and we are going to set it aside and then carry on. Okay guys, so our meat has fried very well here. Let's give it a stir. Right, so at this point we are going to go on and add our blended ingredients in. Then we stir it all over again. Seasonings goes in, our chili, a tablespoon of that, and a tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of salt. Those goes in. Then we stir them. So we're gonna leave these to cook as well for some time. Okay, so guys, the stew is cooking and it's bubbling, and the smell in here, oh my god, it's unbelievable. Alright, we give it a stir, mix it all very well. Alright, and then at this point we're going to add our tomato paste in. I'm just going to do half of that, which is 200 grams, so I put half of that, which is 100 grams, and I'm going to give it a stir. Okay, this is also going to be cooked. Okay, so now we're going to be adding our tack in. Tack is a Senegalese seasoning that I bought from the Gambian store from my dad brother, and this is called tack. It's very good for seasoning and it tastes nice. Why not we promote our own African stuffs? Also, I'm going to add 1 Doli in. If you want to know where to get all of these, you can try the African stores. Most of them will have it, or if not, contact me and I'll link you up. I'm gonna add 1 of that in. Just break it and it will all break in the cooking. And it will blend in so well together. Nice. How beautiful is that? Right, so just a couple of minutes, then we'll add our ingredients in. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes already and the stew is looking fantastic. All right, so at this point we are going to go on and add all our vegetables in. Okay, it's all going in. There we go. So we're gonna give it all a big mix. Look at that, how colorful that stew is turning out to be. Lovely. Right, also we are going to go on and add just that much water in it. Then we stir. We don't want too much water in our stew, alright? This is just perfect. Right, so at this point I'm gonna go on and put a lid on it and then reduce the gas down and let it slowly cook by also adding 2 Scotch bonnet chilies on. That is optional, you don't have to add it. Okay, so we're gonna slowly cook this. Guys, this stew has cut shape. Oh my god, it's looking so beautifully cooked together. Let me give it a final stir. It has cooked slowly for half an hour and everything is fantastically cooked together. It's all done. So at this point we're going to turn the gas totally off. We give it 5 minutes, then we will plate up. All right, don't you miss it out. And if you manage to watch it up to this point, thank you so much for doing that. So guys, this is the stew that we make for you today in Fatim Ali's kitchen, and this is the portion of it that we put on here to show you, and we're having it with white rice, plain. I hope you enjoy watching it while we make it for you. If you do, click the like and we appreciate you for watching up to this point. If you do, thank you so much. Also, don't forget to join our channel membership if you haven't already. Thank you so much for joining Fatim Ali's Kitchen. We love you all and we appreciate all of you. Don't forget to share my videos as well so that it can go viral and it can go everywhere. Alright, and also you're all invited to come and have dinner with us. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on contents. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, we love you all. Come and enjoy this lovely meal with us until we come on your way again soon. Goodbye.